how to set up a AFK channel in your Discord server. So it's been a couple days since my last Discord video, but I thought I'd go ahead and do another one. Something that I know plagues Discord servers sometimes is friends or family will join a voice chat and then they'll go AFK or away from keyboard, and then they won't be back for a very long time, or they just completely forget about it. So then you join a channel thinking that they're in there or in the voice channel, and then they're not because they've gone AFK. So what we want to do is create an AFK voice channel that automatically has people sent to it if they haven't talked into their mic for a certain period of time. So first, what we'll go ahead and do is create an AFK voice channel. Now, I'll put a card in the upper right hand corner here that shows you, that gives a more in-depth of how to create a voice channel from a previous video I made, but I'll just go ahead and make one quickly, and it's just called AFK. Alright, so then from within your Discord server, so I'm in the howtoal Discord server here, go ahead and from the channels menu, go ahead and click on the down caret option, and you'll see there's an option from the submenu called server settings. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Alright, and then from here on the overview tab, you'll notice that underneath server overview there is a AFK channel section. So first, what it will have you do is select an AFK channel that you want to send the people that go AFK to. Right now it says no AFK channel, so we're going to change that and set it to our AFK voice channel that we created. Okay, and then we'll set an AFK timeout to if they don't talk for, let's say, 15 minutes. I think that's a good amount. Sometimes I know people go to grab a pizza and they accidentally flip their pizza on the floor, so they can be gone for a little bit of time. Alright, so after 15 minutes of not talking, they will be kicked out of the voice channel and be sent to AFK. Alright, so automatically move members to this channel and mute them when they have been idle for longer than the AFK timeout. This does not affect browsers. Okay, so now that we have that, we'll go ahead and click on Save Changes, because it says careful, you have unsaved changes. So if we just exit out, click the escape button or click on the X button up here in the corner, it won't actually save the changes. So we'll just go ahead and hit Save Changes. Okay, and now should we join one of these channels and go AFK for 15 minutes, it will then eventually move us into this AFK voice channel. So that is how you set up an AFK voice channel in your Discord server.